Which characteristics describe EPROM? Well, what is EPROM? I'll tell you that in a second, but first let's rule out some of the incorrect answers. First is SRAM. Totally out of the question because SRAM stands for static RAM. It's super fast RAM and it is super vital to the CPU. That is correct. It is integrated into the CPU. However, it is not a characteristic describing EPROM. It's a totally different topic, but that is correct. Now let's look at the next one. A smaller, more condensed memory module that provides random access data storage. Sounds like RAM, not ROM. Ideal for use in laptops, printers, and other devices where conserving space is desirable. Well, what is that? It is going to be a SODIMM. A SODIMM it's a RAM, right? It's a small outline dual inline memory module. So it's like RAM, but it's just smaller. Less pins, it might not be as fast, but it's giving that up in order to save space, making it smaller. So that's a SODIMM RAM, or a small outline dual inline memory module. Okay, there's a lot of words going on here. Now let's look at the next one. A chip that is non-volatile and can be erased by exposing it to strong ultraviolet light. It's EPROM. That is EPROM. EPROM is that. It is ROM. And ROM stands for read-only memory. Okay? But EPROM is read-only memory that can be erased by ultraviolet light. So the E in EPROM is EP is Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. So it's a type of chip that when you switch out the power supply, it can be erased, it can be reprogrammed, and this is to use ultraviolet light. This makes it useful if you want to, say, update the firmware, or if you want to modify the data inside of it. That's what you would use. And that is how we would erase the data. That's how we would rewrite data to the chip. Now, what about the last one? A small circuit board that holds several memory chips and has 30 or 72 pin configurations. Well, this one, it's not really easy to remember it, the 30 or 72 pin configurations. Just know it's like a lower pin count, okay? And this is for a type of RAM. And this RAM, it's older, it's not used anymore. It's a SIMM, a single inline memory module. These are older, they have 72 pins, and when it says the memory chips, there's like little chips on it. Same thing with our current day's RAM. That's pretty much a SIMM, a single inline memory module. Less chips, still has the little blocks of memory on it. That's pretty much a SIMM. So what is our answer? It's going to be EPROM is a chip that is non-volatile and it can be erased if exposed to strong ultraviolet light. Now, if it was just ROM, just fun fact, if it's just ROM, you can't erase it with ultraviolet light. But EPROM you can. Erasable, programmable, read-only memory. Remember that.